Okay, so we're going to take out these cables off of the main board. You can just take them out like that. Just remember when you put them back in that the number that is on the cable correlates to the number on the board. See how it says CN19? I've got a 19 cable. There's also some metal contacts here on the area that you can put the cable in. Make sure that those metal contacts end up touching these, so you'll know if you have the cable in backwards, because not only will it look unnatural and feel unnatural, but the metal contacts on the cable need to match up with what metal contacts that you are slipping it in. So just make sure that you put it back in very carefully. Once it fits nice and snug, you can just push down with both fingers and put it back in. We just need to inspect the end of these cables to see if there are any burn marks on each individual cable. Please inspect these first, then let support know what the outcome was.